Hello, my dear students. I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So now in this lecture, we are going to discussing one more important problem, very important problem, especially for long answer type questions. Okay, this problem repeated so many times in the final examination. Listen carefully. Already based on this problem, we discussed a few short answer type problems. The concept of the problem is tangent lines and tangent plane at a point. Okay, in the same topic we discussed two more problems also. Okay, one problem is based on the general derivation, that is tangency condition, and one more problem we discussed based on the if the conicoid and a plane, if they are intersect, then we have to find the tangent plane. So third problem based on this concept is show that the plane 3x plus 12y minus 6z minus 17 equal to 0 touches the conicoid 3x square minus 6y square plus 9z square plus 17 equal to 0. And what they are asking them extra, find the point of the contact. Okay, so this is the extra thing. Up to here you know very well. Okay, so if any plane touches the given central conicoid, what is the condition? You know very well the condition. L square by a plus m square by b plus n square by c is equal to p square. This is the condition. Okay, so given plane and given central conicoid, after converting into general form, if you compare and substitute the corresponding values in this condition, then you will get the LHS is equal to RHS condition. That is called condition for the tangency. But what they are asking extra, point of contact. So point of contact in the theorem also we discussed clearly. Point of contact is L by AP, M by BP, comma N by CP. This is the point of the contact. Okay, so now using these two formulas, now we are going to solve this problem. Very important problem and easy problem. Listen carefully. Okay, so now first of all I am writing given plane equation. Given plane equation is what is given plane equation? 3x plus 12y minus 6z minus 17 is equal to 0. Okay, so I am sending that 17 value to RHS. 3x plus 12y minus 6z is equal to 17. Okay, this is the plane equation. Compare this plane equation with the general form. Okay, so compare with Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p. So above equation, below equation, if you compare them, so what is the x coefficient? L. So where small l is equal to 3, small l is equal to 3 and small m is equal to 12, small m is equal to 12 and n is equal to minus 6, n is equal to minus 6 and p. So RHS value p is equal to 17. Okay, so these are the values. First of all, given plane, we have to compare with the general plane equation. After comparing, and again here I am writing given central conicoid. Okay, so what is the given central conicoid? Given central conicoid is 3x square minus 6y square plus 9z square plus 17 equal to 0. This is the given central conicoid. Now we have to convert into this one into general form. You know very well general form. To convert into general form, send this 17 value to RHS first of all and divide the total equation with minus 17. Then you will get that required condition. So here I am writing the condition 3x square minus 6y square plus 9z square is equal to minus 17. 9z square is equal to minus 17. So then divide on both sides with minus 17. So if you divide on both sides with minus 17, 3 by minus 17 into x square plus minus 6 by minus 17. Okay, so y square plus 9 by minus 17 into z square is equal to 1. Z square is equal to 1. So therefore minus cancel here. It is in the form of, if you take this equation, compare with the general form of the, compare with general central conicoid equation. So what is the central conicoid equation? General central conicoid equation is ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. Okay. So if you compare above equation with this general formula, then we can write where small a is equal to, what is a small a? Coefficient of x square. Okay. Small a is equal to, what is the coefficient of x square? Minus 3 by 17. Okay. Small b is equal to, minus cancel 6 by 17, 6 by 17, and small c is equal to minus 9 by 17, minus 9 by 17. These are the coefficients of x square, y square, z square. Anyhow, RHS is equal to 1 only. So now after getting the required values, so now write the condition for the tangency. Okay, so we know that, see, given plane and equation, given plane, what is a given plane? So that you can take equation, amma, you can give the equation. This is the given plane. Take it as equation number 1. And given central conicoid, this is given central conicoid, that is equation number 2. So if the given plane, if the given plane 1 touches the conicoid 2, touches the conicoid 2, then what is the condition for tangency? Then condition for tangency, condition for tangency, condition for tangency is L square by A square, L square by A plus M square by B plus N square by C is equal to P square. Okay. So this is the condition. Now substitute corresponding values in this equation and simplify. So if you substitute the corresponding values in this equation, so continuation ma, L square. What is the L square value? You know very well, L value 3 ma, 3 square by A. Small a value is minus 3 by 17 plus M square. M square value is once cross check ma, before going to substitute the values, L is equal to 3, M is equal to 12, N is equal to minus 6, and P is equal to 17. So now M is equal to 12. 12 whole square by, what is the B value? B is equal to 6 by 17. 6 by 17 plus N square. N square means what is the N square value? 6 is minus 6. Minus 6 whole square by C value minus 9 by 17. Minus 9 by 17 equal to P square. RHS value P square 17 square. 17 square. So therefore now simplify. So 3 square means 9 into minus 3 by 17 is there. If you do the reciprocal, it will become 17 by 3. 17 by 3 plus 12 square 144 into 17 by 6 plus, so minus 6 whole square 36. 36 into minus 17 by 9 is equal to 17 square. What is the 17 square value? 289. 289. Okay. So do the simplification ma. 3 ones are 3 threes are, and here 6 ones are 6 2s are 12 and 6 4s are 24. Next 9 ones are 9 4s are 36. So these are the values. Now if you multiply minus 3 into 7 minus 51. Minus 51 plus 24 into 17. 24 into 17, what is the value? So 24 times are 240 and 24 times are total overall we can get that value 408. Next to plus into minus minus. Okay, 17 fours are will get 68. 68. So therefore it is equal to 289. So now minus 51 minus 68. What is the value? Minus 51 minus 68. So 119. Okay, minus 119 plus 408 is equal to 289. So finally we can write that final value here. Minus 119 plus 408, this value is equal to 289. So from 408, if you remove 119, what is the value? 209 or 289 only. 289 is equal to 289. So whenever you get LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say clearly condition for tangency is exist. Okay, why? Because if the given plane 1 touches the conicoid 2, then it has to satisfy this condition. So like that only we got the value 289 is equal to 289. So therefore we can say clearly plane 1 touches a given central conicoid. So therefore that is called a tangent plane. So next similarly we can write point of contact. So now here point of contact. So point of contact we can do in two types. So one type is from direct theorem I am writing. Okay. So we know that point of contact formula. So capital P is equal to L by AP. L by AP, comma, M by BP, M by BP, comma, N by CP. This is the point of contact formula you should remember. Okay. So now P is equal to L. What is the L value? L is equal to 3 by A value. A is minus 3 by 17 into what is the P value? P value 17, comma, M value. M value is 12, 12 by B value minus 6 by 17, sorry, plus 6 by 17 into P value 17. Next, N value. N value is minus 6, minus 6 by C value minus 9 by 17 into P value 17. Okay, so therefore, now if you cancel the corresponding values, so 17, 17 cancel, 17, 17 cancel, then remaining values we can write. So capital P is equal to, so again 3 ones are 3 ones are. Okay, sorry, I am writing minus 3 by 3, comma, 12 by 6, comma, next minus minus cancel, 6 by 9. So again if you cancel them, 3 ones are 3 means minus 1 and 6 ones are 6 twos are. So therefore 2 and 3 twos are 3 threes are. So therefore 2 by 3. Therefore 2 by 3. So this is the point of contact for the given plane and given central conicoid. So therefore after getting the point of contact condition, so ఈ వాల్యూవే కరెక్ట్ వాల్యూ అని మీకు ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది? వచ్చిన పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్ కరెక్ట్ వాల్యూ అని మీకు ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది అంటే యూ క్యాన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ దిస్ పాయింట్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ plane equation or conicoid equation, you will get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, shall we cross check once? So after getting the point of contact, you should cross check 3x plus 12y minus 6z. Okay, so 3x plus 12y. This is not related to your answer. For cross checking purpose, you have to do 3x plus 12y minus 6z minus 17 equal to. Okay, I think this is the condition only. 3x plus 12y minus 6z minus 17 equal to 0. So now substitute. What are the values? 3 into x value minus 1 plus 12 into y value. If you take this value x, y and z, substitute 3 values there. 12 into y value 2 and minus 6 into z value 2 by 3. Z value 2 by 3 minus 17. Okay, so therefore that implies minus 3 plus 12 2s are 24. 3 ones are 3 2s are minus 4 minus 17. So therefore 17 minus 17 minus 3 minus 20 minus 20 minus 4 minus 24 plus 24. You will get that value 0. In this format you have to cross check. Same point if you substitute in the given central conicoid also, you will get that 0 is equal to 0 only. Then only we can say the given point is called point of contact. Okay, so this is the total explanation of this problem. I hope you understand this problem very well. In the next lecture we are coming with next concept. Make a perfect practice, prepare well. All the best for your preparation from SIA Publishers. Thank you.